What is up, people of the YouTube? So it's been a while since I posted a video, and that's because I got a new project for the channel and for my life, really. So update on the Ranger is it's for sale, and I'll get more into that here in a bit, but here's a little sneak peek of what I've got going on currently. But first, I need to mow my lawn because it is just getting out of hand.
Perfect.
Doesn't that just look so much better? I think so. I've been working on trying to get my stripes down, get them straight, but it's a work in progress. So, without further ado, let's show you the new truck that I got. Here's the deal, alright? I'm married, and I have 2 kids, and I have a third on the way. So, whenever we want to go camping, we like to go camping and we like to go rock climbing. So whenever we do those things, we have to take our SUV, which is fine. It's a GMC Acadia, it's all-wheel drive, you know, it gets us places. But when we want to go, you know, we want to take firewood, we want to take all our stuff, we kind of need a truck. And the Ranger isn't exactly like the family vehicle. It only has 2 seats, right? So, you know, I've been looking for a truck. I've been wanting a diesel, but right now for us, it's kind of out of our price range. Well, I could buy one, but everything I'm looking at has like 300,000+ miles, and everybody wants 15 grand for them. Everybody thinks their freaking diesel's worth gold or something. So I went with a gas. It's a really nice truck. I really like it. I haven't had like a proper truck for over almost 3 years since I sold my Duramax. I had a 2002 Duramax. I loved it to death. And before that, I had a 98 12-valve Cummins. And it had compound turbos and it was all built. So I come from diesels. I love diesels. So it kind of breaks my heart a little bit to get a gas truck, but anyways, I love it. It's nice. It's 07. Does everything I need it to for now. And I don't even have a camp chair or anything. Anyways, that's why the Ranger's getting sold. So I just wanted to kind of do an update video for the channel. And also, I have a new project. Well, I guess kind of the Chevy truck I bought is kind of like a project now. But the real project I'm doing is I'm building a drift trike because I kind of want to transition this channel into more of like, not really like a giveaway kind of thing, but like, I like to give back. I like doing charity stuff. So, I kind of want to do more like fun challenges, giveaways, that sort of thing. Things of that nature, I guess is the right way to say it. So I'm going to be building a drift trike, and I'm going to be doing a bunch of competitions with my friends for money. We're going to be doing bracket style challenges, so that'll be fun. But I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on with my life. And then I'll show you the trike. Why not? It's kind of in pieces, but let's go check it out. So here's the trike, boys and girls. I started building this probably like 6 months ago. And just like most things in my life, it's been sitting here and I haven't done anything with it. So I'm gonna be fixing it up, making it better. I'm probably gonna shorten it because it's like really long and unstable. Like, look, it's just bouncy. But I've got an axle, I've got wheels, tires. The only thing I need is a sprocket for the rear axle, I've already got a clutch and a chain. And then I need a throttle cable. And then I've got some PVC to put on the tires. Yeah, it's got a little Predator 212 motor on it. Right out of Harbor Freight. So this is gonna be a sweet little drift trike. And then we're gonna be doing some stuff like see who can ride it the longest without falling off with some crazy thing on the back. I've got some fun ideas for this. We're gonna do like a time trial like thing so you can go through this track the fastest. It'll be fun. So stay tuned for that. Guys, I'm just straight creeping right now. But there she goes. He's loading her up on the trailer. Guys, if you've been watching because you like pre-runner stuff, sorry. Not gonna do it anymore. But there's plenty of other guys that do it. If you like watching because you like me, because you think I'm weird, and I do interesting things, cool. Stick around, subscribe. Because we're gonna be doing a lot more fun stuff around here. I'm really excited. So, Tilly, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. See ya.